Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a really easy activity called helping hands. This is a social emotional learning activity that can help your students think about other people and how much control they have over their feelings and the feelings of others. So students would be asked to trace their hand. If you have younger learners, you might be able to have them trace their hand a couple of times. You can split their paper into 4 sections and have them trace their hand 4 times. If you are someone who has a bigger hand, like me, I'm gonna split my paper into 2 and I'm gonna trace my hand twice. And I do this with a pencil. You might use another tool. I might use a pencil first, and then I can always outline it with a marker. And I'm gonna do my hand twice. So the idea of helping hands really asks our students to reflect or write what their hands can do to help other people. So really thinking about how we can be kind and spread kindness to others. And what I like to have my students do is write something they can do to spread kindness for others. So this could be as simple as opening the door for someone else. And if you have younger learners, you might have them draw this. If you have older learners, they could totally write a sentence. So I'm going to just say sharing toys at recess. And again, I work with younger students, so that is why I am writing things that is more along what they would be thinking. Once I have my students write or reflect on 2 things that they can actually use their hands to do, whether it's physically them holding something or sharing something, that's a really easy, tangible thing for my younger kids to learn about. Or if it's more abstract, how they can be kind in general, then we get to decorate. And I encourage my students to leave their hand the way it is. So not coloring per se inside the hand so we can see their picture unless they drew a picture. If they drew a picture, then I allowed them to color it in. But really decorating around the outside. And I encourage them to do different patterns, maybe some hearts, maybe some line designs, but really to create a picture that shows how unique they are and that shows how they can really use those hands to help and encourage others.